To set song as a ringtone on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, first of all navigate to your browser and download any song you want as a ringtone. You just have to make sure the song must be under 30 seconds, or you can also trim it from any online software. Let's say I want to make this song as my ringtone. Let's download it. Tap on download, and right here I can see the song has been downloaded successfully. Once the song has been downloaded, navigate to App Library and search Files. Tap on that, and here navigate to your Downloads folder. And here is the song I want as a ringtone. Tap on that, and after that tap on the arrow at the bottom of your screen. Swipe upwards, and here you can see Use as ringtone. Tap on that, and from here you can easily select it as your ringtone. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.